Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I made a new purchase from online and I want to unbox this and show you all. So this is a new addition into my photography requirement. So this is a reflector and they are 5 in 1. This is the first time I'm buying a reflector because I'm trying to take some photographs and that's the reason I want this reflector. So let me just open this. Wow, so big. So I think it has a zip and I can change the colors. So there's golden, silver, white, black and one more for the transparent one, which is for diffusion. So since if you are following my channel, you'll know that I make lot of videos of food, of online teaching and so many other things. And I also enjoy taking photographs. That's the reason I bought this. So this is the translucent one, transparent. And there's a golden one behind, like this. So this is around 42 inches. So let's see, I'm quite excited to be using this and learn photography. So this is the one. So whenever I take my food pictures, I place a dish in front of the light. So suppose this is the window. I place my dish here and I take pictures from an angle, either 90 degrees or from 180 degrees. So suppose this is my dish here. I place it here and I take the picture like this. Now when there's natural light coming in, it's very harsh. So this diffuser will help me to diffuse the light and make it very soft and give nice pictures. So I'm quite excited to be using this and try some food photography. So this is a translucent one and so this is the black one and the white reflector and the golden and the silver one. So if I go outdoor and I take some portrait pictures, then I can easily use this silver diffuser. And also once I buy the flash, I can place the flash behind and also direct it to some angle and have that diffused light coming in from here for my pictures, for any products or food or anything that I'll be trying. So this is just like some clothes and I'll put it on and see how does it look, this golden diffuser. So I'll definitely require my brother's help while taking some portrait pictures to hold this because there's no stand for this diffuser. So this is how it works. And this brand I have bought lights, a stand and lights, the halogen lights of this Sonia brand, and this is the first time I've bought the diffuser. So after using it, I'll be able to tell you all how good and how satisfied I am with this product. And if you all wish to purchase this and you all are interested in photography, then I'll be providing the link in the description box, so you can click on the link and make a purchase. So the zip is half semicircle, not the complete. You just have to put it on this diffuser and zip it. So just press the diffuser inside a bit and then you can zip it very. So here's my big 43-inch diffuser ready, and excited to be using it and experimenting different shots with this. So now let me try first time how do I fold this and keep it in that bag. I don't know. I think both the sides I have to twist it and turn it. That's the way I do it. Yes, not bad. And goes into the bag. So yes, it will easily go into this bag. Yeah, done. There's my diffuser ready, and it's quite reasonable the amount that I paid for this. Anyways, there's always offers online, so the price keeps fluctuating. You can always click on the link and check all the description for your reference. Bye bye.